this is a review of the Camplux outdoor shower unit. Pretty simple. You've got the unit. We've just got it hooked up here to the annex via a hook. And see, this is red, this is the hot water, and this is the on and off. So you've got this little button here which gets it going, and you've got this button here which can make it centralized or shower, which is handy for a shower, obviously. The Camplux is an all-metal construction. It feels very well made. The controls are easily laid out and intuitive to use. There's also a convenient screen for your water temperature. The hook at the top has 3 different positions, so that'll help with the installation. And how the unit works is it connects to gas, that's your gas supply, and your 3 inlets here. To the left, you've got your gas supply, and that's very well made with a hose and adapter for modern gas cylinders. In the middle is the water to your shower head, and to the right there is the water, and you'll have to supply your own fittings with that. To the very right is the place that you put the 2 D-size batteries, and you'll have to include them yourself because it's not included with the package. So you've got some controls here. That's the water pressure. Sorry, this is the water pressure. This one here, the outside one. So that water pressure should now be a little bit more, but it sort of depends on the pressure that you've got. That's a little bit more free flowing. And then you've got your gas here, which you can make really hot water if you want, or if you want just water that's not too hot to scald. So I've got that on pretty low, and that's quite warm for a shower. That's quite warm. So I don't know if you can see it here because the sun's in the way. So it's got the heat there. Tells you what the heat of the water is. And if you go up, that goes up significantly. As soon as you turn it off, the gas switches off. So that's pretty clever too. Actually, all I'll do is I'll put this really close here. You hear it go on. Pretty good. So yeah, really useful obviously for a whole heap of applications, especially your camping. Go for a swim and you come back and you want to have a quick outdoor hot shower. This is the way to go. Why we got this is because we do have an outdoor shower on this, but it's freezing cold water, it's not hot water. So we got this just to basically make it nice and comfortable to have a quick outdoor hot shower. That's lovely. Obviously you can hook that up into your tents that you've got for camping, and she's a real nice unit. And considering how cheap they are, they're quite a decent bang for buck as well. I think this is about 200 bucks thereabouts. So I'll put a link in the description and get your Camplux on.